poppin' Wayne Valley? My name is Razi Ismail and you are watching the first ever Keeping Up with Valley hosted straight from my bedroom. Every Thursday we're going to keep you updated on the latest news, trends, and important events. So let's see what's happening with Valley this week. School has officially been in session since September 8th, which means the V is finally back. So stay tuned on the school's YouTube channel for some dope content made by our dope TV 3 and 4 students. This year, students are getting adjusted to the new hybrid scheduling, which also means getting adjusted to the new one-way hallways and also the 8-minute break in between classes. Although it seems hard at first, we should also admire the hard work put in so we're able to go back to school. Now on the topic of classes, all students taking AP classes, make sure you are registered for the AP test by the deadline, which is November 15th. And if you're lost with your classes or scheduling, just go on the Wayne Valley page and you're going to be able to see all virtual and in-school schedules. Now, if that seems difficult, Wayne Valley has partnered with an app called Saturn, which basically lets you see your schedule straight from your phone and how much time you have left in your classes. Now, on to the important news that everyone wants to hear about. A majority of the fall sports are back. Football, boys and girls soccer, cheer, field hockey, girls tennis, and cross country are back with a delayed season. Unfortunately, gymnastics won't be happening this year and girls volleyball got pushed back until the spring. Preseason started back on September 11th. And that is all the news that we have for you guys today. Thank you for keeping up with Valley, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.